Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to switch mouse primary button on Windows 11. We are all familiar with the mouse left button that is used as the primary button on all Windows operating systems, including Windows 11. We can select, drag, click, and perform normal mouse operations using the left mouse button. By default, Windows assigns the left mouse button as a primary button, which is handy for right-handed users, but not good for left-handed users. Left-handed users prefer to switch mouse buttons so that they can efficiently work on their PC. You can perform all normal mouse operations like selecting, dragging, and clicking using the right mouse button when you switch mouse buttons. Now, your mouse's left button will work like a right button that you can use to right-click on your computer. How to switch mouse primary button on Windows 11. To switch mouse primary button on Windows 11, first open the Settings app by pressing Windows + I keys from the keyboard. Then, select Bluetooth and Devices category from the left side pane. Next, click the Mouse tab on the right pane of Bluetooth and Devices. On the Mouse Settings page, select the right option from the drop-down menu of the primary mouse button. That's it. When you select the right option beside the primary mouse button, the mouse's right button will immediately switch to the primary button role. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.